Hello friends, I'm going to attempt to maiden my ascender. I'm at the Sterling field, so this is ascender rebuild after the last crashes. Actually I had I think 4 or 5 successful flights, or not so successful flights earlier, and I'm going to try getting it up in the air this time. Whoa!
I hope you get that on camera.
I did.
Okay, good.
Well, I'm going to try it again. It looks like it's all intact.
I want to see that again.
You want to see that again? Okay. Alright. Take 2. Come on, turn.
Oh, did you do that?
Yeah, it seems to have a stall. Has a real stall issue here. So when I go fast, it goes nose down, and if I don't go fast enough, it goes nose down. So if I go really fast, it'll head nose down, see? Well, didn't do it that time.
That was not too bad.
4 minutes.
As long as it does not oscillate when you go fast, that should be manageable. It reminds me of the Star Trek Bird of Prey.
Yeah. So this is on my lowest. This is on my lowest rates, and I'm barely moving the sticks. So I'm.
Well, I would think
Oh, I'm losing the thing underneath. I've got a lot of drag with that. I'm going to land it.
I would think these canals in the front have a lot of control. Because they have such a momentum to control it. I think it's as good as it gets. No? Like you will not.
All right. Look at.
Yeah,
I had a little extra help on my rudder here.
that's good because that helps you break it.
Yeah.
into the grass.
You know, it takes about 20 minutes to make this little thing, to fold it, but hey, I'll take that.
Yeah, yeah. No.
I'll take that as a flight.